our NSF floor and mop sink. First off, the overall dimensions. The measurements for the depth will be 18.5 inches. That's 18.5 inches counting the edge from the front to the back. That also counts for this side as well. So both sides measuring 18.5 inches. For the length, we have at least 26.5 inches. And the measurement for the opening minus the flanges on the side will be 11.25 inches. For the height of the sink, we have at least 16.5 inches. That's from the bottom counting to the top of the lip of the sink. Without the lip, we have 16 inches. And from the bottom to the top of the opening on the front, we have at least 12 inches. For the interior dimensions, we have at least 12 inches in height. And for the depth of the left and right side interior dimensions, we have 16 inches in depth. That's 16 inches in depth for the left and right interior. Last but not least, the length. We have at least 23 inches. That's 23 inches on the left side on this corner and 23 inches on the right side of this corner. The measurement for the drain itself will be at least 3.5 inches. Coming to the top right corner will be the NSF certification sticker. And included will be the drain stopper to be inserted into the drain. The measurements for the stopper will include 4.25 inches. Also included will be this flange to mount your sink to the wall or any other surface you would like it to be positioned. And the measurement, overall length, we have at least 26.25 inches. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.